Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I am going to solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.3 question number 13 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question 13 is proof that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x equals to sin 4x into sin 8x. This question is also on the same pattern of question 12 which we have earlier solved in the last video. So we shall see in the LHS that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So LHS is equal to cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. For this, by using identity a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, we can write it as cos 2x plus a plus b cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. Right? Now this has come on the identity cos a plus b, and this is cos a minus cos b, and for this identity cos a plus cos b and cos a minus cos b, we have, since cos a plus cos b equals to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 and cos a minus cos b equals to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2, and this identity we shall use for this. So this will be, first cos 2x plus cos 6x will be on this line equal to 2 cos a plus b. Here a is equal to, here a equal to 2x and b equal to 6x. So a will be 2x, b will be 6x by 2 into cos 2x a minus 6x by 2, and this has been expressed for this, and for this we shall write this identity minus 2 sin for a 2x plus 6x by 2 sin a minus b 2x minus 6x by 2. Right? So what will happen for simplified? After simplification we can write it 2 cos 2x plus 6x is equal to 8x by 2 into cos, as minus sign is more, so we shall put minus sign, and from minus term we shall deduct plus term, so it will be 4x by 2, and this minus 2 sin 2x plus 6x 8x by 2, and sin again like this minus 4x by 2. Right? So after deducting these things, after 2 cos 8x divided by 2 will be 4x into cos minus 2x, this minus 2 sin 4x into sin minus 2x. Right? And we know that cos, since cos minus 2x will be equal to cos 2x, when cos is with negative angle, this negative sign goes on, and only cos minus 2x will be cos 2x, and sin minus 2x will be this minus sign of angle will come before function, so it will be minus sine 2x. These identities we have already applied at many places. So now we can write 2 cos 4x into cos 2x. Cos minus 2x is equal to cos 2x, and this minus 2 sine 4x, and for sine minus 2x we can write minus sine 2x into minus sine 2x, right? We are going further, so 2 cos 4x into cos 2x, and this minus sign and this minus sign will be plus, and it will be 2 sine 4x into sine 2x, right? And we know that since sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x into cos x, so for making these on this identity we have to adjust this, we have to reframe this line like 2 is here, sine 4x we are writing here, sine 4x we have written here, cos 4x we are writing here, cos 4x. So this we have written, this we have written, and this we have written. And in second bracket, this 2 will remain here, sine 2x will come here, and cos 2x will come here, cos 2x. So by adjusting in such a way, these came on this identity that sine 2 sine x, 2 sine for x, here 4x, so 2 sine x into cos x will be sine 2x equal to sine 2x means 4x, and this 2 sine x into cos x will be into sine 2, and for x 2x is here, so here 2x, right? So here it will be sine 8x into sine 4x, but in question in RHS it is given sine 4x into sine 8x, that is same, but we can write it also like that, sine 4x into sine 8x, because the value of these two lines will be equal, and this is RHS. Hence LHS equal to RHS proved. If you like it, please share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, write in comment box. I will give its answer. Thank you.